My name is Quincy. People call me Q, and I like food. Not just eating, even though that's the best part, but I like learning about different flavors. I like to try different techniques. And I like discussing different ideas. I also like kitchen gadgets because for me, gadgets equal vibes in the kitchen. So I put together some videos with my friends, the Flower Banton, the Flavor Banton, and Dre with the God Voice, all talking while checking out some cool gadgets in my unorthodox kitchen. This is Kicks in the Kitchen. Yeah! Kicks in the Kitchen under the SOE. Lockdown thing, we can't go nowhere. We can't congregate. We can't do nothing. But still have my bantons and them though. Banton. Roller. Nice.
Let's stay there.
Just cool, boy. How the SOE treating all over, eh?
Lockdown? What you do?
You can't, not much else to do. Stay home, watch TV, fooling yourself and saying you're gonna read. But yeah, I guess I'm challenging in the kitchen.
Yeah. There's experiment in the kitchen. Lockdown, home, family vibes, TV. That's what it is.
How about you, Dre?
Well, I tell you straight, I really having fun in here. I trying all kind of crazy wildness, boy. I put salt, prune, and cucumber together and things. And yeah, I do all kind of madness. I'm hoping to run some experiments with some ketchup and thing too.
No good ask, because you know it's the ketchup boss. Salt, prune, cucumber, and ketchup.
And ketchup.
Must have the ketchup.
There's a chow from hell, boy. Well, boy, I myself doing some things there. I try out something that I do fairly often, but it's falling nice in a time when like this SOE here because, you know, one of the things people face is you're cooking every day for yourself because fast food places close down, you know, they have a little grab and go and that kind of thing. But they're a little pricey and, you know, you're trying not to go outside in the first place. So, you know, you might run out of things to cook, ideas. Now, my philosophy is this, is a simple philosophy. To get things happening in the kitchen that interesting, they don't necessarily have to be too exotic and, you know, try things that like ingredients I have never seen before. They have simple ingredients about the place right in your fridge right now that you could use, just pair them in different ways and you can come up with something nice. There they go, I say. How that song all there?
Song rather interesting.
Yeah, something like it making sense. But what exactly are you talking about? We're gonna pair Quincy.
Well, here what I do. I use wonton skins, right? I had some wonton skins there. So I take these wonton skins and I make some, well, what I will call, well, after all they will tell me when I show all they will tell me if you find this name makes sense. Wonton cups, right? That makes sense. Wonton cups.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. I like how that song, the wonton cups.
Wonton cups. So now I realize you just use the wontons, you know, put them in a muffin tray and you bake that. You can essentially bake anything inside the wonton and you make a nice little cup. Actually, well, of course, you know, I record it, I save it. So, jump out now, Jay. Run that thing. Helping me lock down this lockdown snack is the ever-versatile Black & Decker Extra Wide Toaster Oven. All the settings you need to broil or bake at different temperatures with or without a timer. And of course, well, it's a toaster oven, so you know you could toast things. Definitely large enough to toast like 6 slices of bread or some bagels, but you have enough room in there for a whole chicken or even a small to medium-sized turkey. So simple little ingredients that I had in the fridge there. Tomatoes, saltfish. This is it here. Let's grease the muffin tray and stuff the wonton skins in there. I use some minced beef with mushrooms. I did this next one, some beef salami with mushroom, sweet pepper, onions, kind of pizza style in there.
Right.
And then I had some saltfish there. So I just blaze up a little saltfish, you know. A little buljol styling.
Saltfish buljol inside the wonton
Yeah.
cup.
This is a brilliant idea.
Yeah.
Possibilities are endless.
Ooh. You know you must.
What you
Wow.
papalap.
Chunky, I should say. Much chunky.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. So, like I said, I did minced beef with mushrooms, beef salami with onions, peppers, and mushrooms with a little cheese on top, and saltfish in our buljol styling. I went with the oven setting, using the stay on function to preheat to about 350 for 5 minutes. Then in with the goodies. I put a little garnish in it to go in, for the peppers and things to melt down on top.
Right.
Yeah, and then I garnish it again. And I set the timer to about 18 minutes. Well, that's salami. That pre-cooked, but then we need to cook that enough and the cheese will melt down on that one too. The minced beef was cooked. Okay, really trying to get the wonton skins to crisp up. I was seeing. I wasn't here to taste it, but you had to work out some kind of scene to do delivery or something.
You can't send them thing over the internet?
I could try email.
Let me ask you something. You have about 6 cups there.
Yeah.
Is that you ate all 6 or 3 was fully enough for you? Or?
Well, boy, initially I was thinking 2 is good, right? 2 with a side salad and maybe a little piece of garlic bread or something. That can handle it, right?
Alright.
Yeah, but like if you like you say watching a movie or something, yeah, you sit up with 6. That is a half dozen. by the Chinese place.
But that's how wontons come, half dozen and dozens.
Yeah.
Now 6 comfortably.
Well, hey, I lied. Q, it look good. Tell us about the taste though. Which one you feel stand out the best for you?
Boy, that is a rough one, boy. That is a rough one. I would have to go with the saltfish though. Only because it was the most unusual one in wonton and our wonton skin. I can't remember.
It was different. It looked good too.
It looked good, yeah, but I can't remember having a saltfish wonton before. But it working. The flavors real good. Oh well, actually, after SOE, you take a list of all these things and you will make these things so that all you can catch up on the flavors and things.
Yeah.
You say catch up on the flavors, so I don't understand all the real. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna leave that right there.
Wow. Seeing that.
Nice it.
Yeah, let me jump out. Okay, I will keep in touch.
Yeah, fellas.
Stay safe.
Yeah. Stay inside.
Stay inside.
All the time.
To check out the Black & Decker extra wide toaster oven, go to shopcords.com. And for more kicks in the kitchen, check out thecapacitynetwork.com. Boom.